Today we will be discussing one problem, and the problem is find the coefficient of transmission of particle through a triangular barrier. This one. Now consider a point P x v0 on the triangular barrier such that x lies between 0 and plus a. Now in similar triangles PMB and V0BO, we can say that PM upon OV0 is equal to MB upon OB, or we can say that V upon V0 is equal to A minus X upon X, where A is this distance. Or V is equal to V0 into 1 minus X upon A for 0 is less than X, is less than A, less than equal to X, or less than equal to A. Similarly, we can say that V is equal to V0 1 plus X upon A for minus A is less than equal to X, is less than equal to 0. Also we can say that V is equal to 0 for X greater than equal to A. Now the Schrodinger wave equation in region X greater than equal to A will be del 2 psi upon del x square plus 2m upon h cross square E psi is equal to 0. Where E is the energy of the particle. The Schrodinger wave equation in region minus A is less than X is less than equal to 0 is given by del 2 psi upon del x square plus 2m upon h cross square E minus V0 into 1 plus x upon A psi is equal to 0. Similarly, we can say that the Schrodinger wave equation for the region 0 is less than equal to X is less than equal to A is del 2 psi upon del x square plus 2m upon h cross square minus E minus V0 into 1 minus x upon A psi is equal to 0. Now substituting 2me upon h cross square this equal to k square and 2m v0 upon h cross square this equal to l square. So these equation will become del 2 psi upon del x square plus k square psi this equal to 0 for x greater than equal to A, and del 2 psi upon del x square minus of minus k square plus l square into x upon A psi this equal to 0 for minus A is less than equal to X is less than equal to 0, and del 2 psi upon del x square minus of minus k square plus l square into x upon A psi this equal to 0 for 0 is less than equal to X is less than equal to A. Now changing the variables in these equations from x to eta and neta respectively. So we can put eta is equal to A upon L square 2 by 3 into L square minus k square plus L square into x upon A, and neta is equal to A upon L square की power 2 by 3 L square minus k square minus L square into x upon A. So substituting these, the above equation will take the form del 2 psi upon del eta square minus eta psi is equal to 0, and del 2 psi upon del neta square minus neta psi is equal to 0. Now the general solution of these equations is a linear combination of two Airy functions u and v. Assuming that the particle is incident on the triangular barrier from the left, that is, there is only one outgoing wave in the region x is greater than equal to A, and taking the coefficient of incident wave equal to unity, we have the following function for first, second, third and fourth region respectively. Psi 1 is equal to e raised to power iota kx plus capital A into e raised to power minus kx. This is for x is less than equal to minus a. Psi 2 is equal to b u eta plus c v eta for minus a is less than equal to x is less than equal to 0. Psi 3 is equal to d u neta plus e v neta for 0 is less than x is less than equal to a. And psi 4 is equal to f e raised to power kx. And the wave function psi and its derivative are continuous. We have the following boundary condition: psi 1 is equal to psi 2 and del psi 1 upon del x is equal to del psi 2 upon del x at boundaries, that is here boundary is at x equal to minus a. Psi 2 is equal to psi 3 and del psi 2 upon del x is equal to del psi 3 upon del x at x equal to 0. Psi 3 is equal to psi 4 and del psi 3 upon del x is equal to del psi 4 upon del x at x equal to a. Now applying these boundary conditions and putting the values as, suppose let lambda is equal to k square a raised to power 2 by 3 L raised to power minus 4 upon 3, this is equal to L a ki power 2 by 3 k square upon L square. And mu is equal to LA 2 by 3 1 minus k square upon L square. As the velocity in the first and fourth region outside the barrier to the left and to the right is the same, the transmission coefficient T, which is defined as the ratio of current density for x is greater than a to the current density for x is less than minus a, is equal to f square. Solving these equations and assuming that the Airy function to be normalized to satisfy u dash t minus vt minus ut v dash t, this is equal to 1. So keeping these values, we get the transmission coefficient as this. So this will be the transmission coefficient. This will be the transmission coefficient for a particle through a triangular barrier. That's all.